Hello, welcome back. We are on day number 22. Okay, this one has these are actually bookmarks. These beautifully painted feathers. I just couldn't resist them. I have no idea what I'm going to, how I'm going to incorporate those, but I really like them, so I thought I'd include them. So yeah, let's have a think and see how we can add one of these in. I've chosen this one, the magpie feather, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off. I need some smaller scissors. I'm going to trim off the white space around this. And these are, like I say, bookmarks, so they've got a thickness to them. I don't know. I think I have a thing about feathers. I know I've included a few throughout this process. Kind of reminds you of being little and going for walks, and you know, as a child, always being excited to find a feather. It's just something about finding a feather and picking it up, and yeah, I don't know if you feel the same. Just trying to cut the sort of wispier bits up here at the top. Okay, so now we have the feather itself. Do I want it sticking up? Do I want it to go across the page this time? Maybe we go that way. I'm going to create a little bit of a background. Let's see, I'm thinking of keeping it relatively neutral. Let's go with some text here that I've got on the side, maybe some masking tape. Where's my matte medium? Let's add some of that. I think I'm kind of feeling that kind of wintry walk feeling with the feather here. I realise I've already got text on the page, but having text going in different directions with this, maybe a different coloured text. Okay, I'm just giving that a dry. I'm going to keep it quite neutral. So I'm going with the black and white feather. I'm going with the blacks and whites and maybe browns because we've got the brown background. So I've got coffee, I've got my Stabilo wall, and I've got my gesso. Let's start with some gesso. Yeah, something like that. Some coffee. I'll just reactivate it with a bit of water. I'm just going to put that on really loosely. And draw into it with my Stabilo wall. Just activating that here and there as well. Oh, look, well, it's already activated, but just a little bit more. Okay, let's give that a dry. That's dry, and I was going to go that way, but actually now I've done the background, I quite like it sitting like that. And I'm thinking of putting words down the feather, so I'm going to have a think about what words I want to add, and I'll be back in a mo. All right, I found a line from a poem. This is a poem by Victoria Erickson. And the line is, "Some winters give soft welcome like feathers." And I really like that. So I'm going to stick that down on my feather. Stick my feather down to my page. All right, stuck that down, and also stuck a little bit of my lace underneath that side. So here we are. I think that's all I want to do. I want to keep it quite simple, quite neutral. But I really like that. I hope you do too. I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.